So, as part of this series on learning how to build apps without coding, we're covering Bubble, and there are some advanced areas that I wanted to touch upon in the playlist before closing it off. Okay, now what are they? API integration. So, you can make API calls to other services like Stripe, Twilio to send an SMS, Stripe for card payment processing, Plaid for banking integration, any API integration, REST API, you can do those. Webhooks if you want to receive. In fact, yeah. So API, we in the resource we do have uh, a few links around what is an API, how to use an API, and how to connect using Bubble's API connector. Webhooks are basically receiving API calls. So in Bubble, you can receive webhooks. There's more resources around like what is a webhook and then how to integrate Bubble apps with webhooks. Sub apps is a corner case feature, a bit, but very much useful for uh, white labeled SaaS applications where each client account is on a custom subdomain. You could do that with sub apps. And there's other cases as well that you can make one app, clone it for other client accounts, and all their databases will be isolated. So that's an advanced area of Bubble as well. The last one, I've covered it briefly in the previous kind of video on databases. But Bubble, there's in the Bubble manual, there's resources on application patterns and databases. So if you're working with a marketplace style app, you can check out this guide, which kind of suggests a data structure, listing data structure, a SaaS data structure, a CRM data structure. So this is an interesting area as well. Overall, the Bubble manual is full of useful information, but it can be hidden. So if you have a blog app, this would like you can have like a messaging app, dashboard, loads of different types of apps, and their different kind of data structures. It'll be kind of described here. All right. Okay. What next? In fact, I think I'm gonna cover this in the next video. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.